Smart investing begins with the right mindset. We've all heard about stock investing, but truly understanding what smart investing means, that's another story. Some see stocks as a gamble. Others believe all it takes is following so-called experts. And when the market moves the other way, disappointment follows. But investing isn't a game of emotions, it's a journey of mindset. A journey that begins with understanding ourselves, what makes us fearful, greedy, and how patient we truly are. Because before choosing any stock, we must first choose the right way to think. And that's what we'll uncover today: smart investing, the secret to picking good stocks. Don't just listen, start by shaping your own mindset. Subscribe now and receive your free gift, the Smart Investing Secrets ebook. Stocks, a path anyone can walk, but few reach the destination. The stock market is like a long open road, anyone can step onto it. But not everyone has the patience to reach the end. Some walk out of curiosity, some for quick profits, and others just to try their luck. Yet only those with the right mindset and a clear strategy can stay the course. The market doesn't care who you are, what you do, or how much you start with. The only reward it gives is to those who understand the essence of the game. When we invest without knowing why we buy, we're walking a road without a map. But once we understand why we choose, we've taken the first step into the world of smart investing. That's why stock investing isn't hard, if you truly know what you're doing and why. In the next parts, we'll explore how to choose good stocks, not just through numbers, but through mindset and vision. The investment mindset. Choosing stocks like choosing a life companion. Every stock is like a companion on your financial journey. Some help you go further, others may lead you astray. Investing isn't a game of luck, it's the art of recognizing value and controlling emotion. When you pick a stock, don't just look at its price. Look at the story behind the company. What value are they creating? And are they growing sustainably? Smart investors don't chase hot stocks, they seek good companies with a soul. Remember, investing is a long-term relationship. Like marriage, if you choose based on short-term emotion, you'll eventually pay the price. When you learn to understand a company as you understand yourself, you'll know when to stay and when to walk away. That's when you've truly matured as an investor. So how do you recognize a stock worth walking with? Let's explore that in the next part. The market isn't hard, the hard part is mastering your mind. Many believe investing in stocks is hard because it requires technical skills, financial reports, or market predictions. But the truth is, the hardest part lies within ourselves. The market doesn't make you lose money, your emotions do. When prices rise, we get excited. When they fall, we panic. And when others boast about profits, we rush to follow. That emotional cycle makes many invest with their hearts, not their minds. Smart investors know the market is a test of patience. They don't try to control the market, they learn to control themselves. They don't fear volatility, they fear losing discipline. Because the market will always change, but a steady mind helps you stand firm through every storm. Remember, you don't need to win every trade, you just need to not lose to yourself. In the next part, we'll dive deeper. How do you build a disciplined and sustainable investment strategy? Strategy and discipline, the foundation of smart investing. Smart investing doesn't start with money, it starts with a clear plan. Many enter the market without knowing what they're looking for. They buy when others buy, sell when others sell, and end up not knowing why they lost. A good strategy doesn't just tell you what to buy, it tells you why and when. Remember, the market rewards those with a plan and discipline, not those who react the fastest. Discipline isn't rigidity, it's staying true to your principles, even when your emotions tell you otherwise. Disciplined investors know when to stop and when to wait. They understand that opportunity never disappears, it just shifts from the undisciplined to the disciplined. Think of your investment strategy as a mental map. The clearer it is, the further you can go. In the next part, we'll talk about another crucial piece: how to choose good stocks and avoid the trap of short-term growth. Choosing good stocks, the art of long-term vision. Many people ask, which stock should I buy? But the real question is, which business deserves to walk with me? Investing isn't a guessing game, it's the art of seeing beyond numbers. A good stock isn't the one that rises fast, it's the one backed by a business with real, sustainable value. Choose companies with vision, trustworthy leadership, and products that truly solve real problems. Investing in a company is like investing in a person. You're not just choosing profits. You're choosing trust. When you understand true value, short-term volatility no longer scares you. You won't follow the crowd, because you know where you're heading. Warren Buffett once said, "If you're not willing to hold a stock for 10 years, don't hold it for 10 minutes." That's the essence of smart investing: patience, understanding, and vision. In the next part, we'll discuss what truly sets great investors apart: the ability to learn and stay informed. Learning and staying informed, the smart investor's weapon. In the world of investing, information isn't just power, it's survival. The market changes every day. One piece of news, one policy shift, or even a small event can shake an entire portfolio. What separates a smart investor from a trend follower is how they learn and process information. Smart investors don't believe everything they hear, they verify, analyze, and understand deeply. They read, listen, attend seminars, but most importantly, they think critically. When the market rises, they don't celebrate too soon. When it falls, they don't panic. They see the big picture, not just short-term ripples. Smart investing isn't just about buying and selling, it's about continuously learning to make wiser decisions than yesterday. And if you want to go further, you need a community, a place to learn and grow with like-minded people. In the next part, we'll explore Smart Invest 2025, where different minds meet to grow together. Information and learning, the fuel of smart investors. The market never stops changing, and only those who keep learning every day can go the distance. In the world of investing, knowledge isn't just power, it's the fuel that keeps you alive and moving forward. A single news piece, a report, or an analysis can change your investment decision, but the greater skill is knowing what to trust and what to ignore. Smart investors don't follow the crowd, they build their own system of knowledge. Constantly updating, testing, and refining. Every lesson in the market, whether it's a win or a loss, is a brick in the foundation of your understanding. When you see learning as part of investing, you stop fearing mistakes, because every mistake brings you closer to success. Remember, information is the lifeblood of the market, and knowledge is the heartbeat of the smart investor. In the next part, we'll step into the meeting point of knowledge and opportunity, the Smart Invest 2025 event. Smart Invest 2025, where knowledge meets opportunity. In every investing journey, there comes a moment when we realize that the right mindset can change our entire financial future. Smart Invest 2025 isn't just an event, it's a journey of awakening. It's where top financial experts share battle-tested strategies, where new investors find the courage to begin, and where everyone learns one truth: investing isn't hard when you walk with the right people. Here, you don't just receive knowledge, you connect, discuss, and practice a different way of thinking. Every talk, every success story, every honest failure is shared openly, to remind you that success isn't luck. It's discipline and vision. And this year, the event returns bigger and sharper, with content designed to truly touch the needs of Vietnamese investors. If you're ready to step out of your comfort zone, this is the place to begin, a space that nurtures smart investing mindsets. Don't just hear about investing, experience it yourself at Smart Invest 2025. In the next and final part, we'll conclude with this truth: smart investing isn't just a skill, it's a way of life. Conclusion: smart investing isn't just about picking stocks, it's about picking the right mindset. When you look back on your investing journey, you'll realize every decision begins with a single thought. A wise investor doesn't just buy low, sell high, they know how to stay calm through every storm. Markets may change, stocks may fall, but the right mindset will always be your strongest foundation. Every step you take, every pause to learn, brings you closer to true freedom, freedom from fear, and confidence in your own choices. Smart investing isn't for the impatient, it's for those who move deliberately. Think differently, and stay consistent. And if you've stayed with us until this moment, remember, your financial journey begins with the mindset you choose today. Invest in yourself before you invest in anything else. Subscribe, download the ebook, and share your thoughts. And remember, every step you take is a step toward growth.